Hello students, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to access the testing portal for the NWEA. First thing you're going to do, you're going to open up Chrome and you're going to go to nwea.org. Once you get to that website, I'll show you how to navigate. You scroll over the word login and then you go down to the third option, which is Map Growth Student Login. And then you get the testing portal that pops up. And that is how you can access the NWEA testing portal. So a common problem that most students have when it's the first time accessing their student portal for the testing portal for the NWEA is reason number one, pop-up blocker. Now on Google Chrome, the pop-up blocker is located inside the URL bar, the address bar, in the top right-hand corner. Now you'll see one of these squares will be lit up with a red dot right above it. You click on it and that should enable you to allow all pop-ups, and that is one way to disable pop-up blocking. You can also select this option right here, how to disable pop-up blocking, and it goes over the various web browsers and devices that use, for example, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, iPad on a Mac, Safari 11 on a Mac, Safari on an iPad, Chrome on an iPod, Microsoft Edge on a desktop, things like that. And it shows you how to find and how to disable pop-ups for each specific device. That's it. Well, most of us, we end up using Chrome, but not the iPad. We got the Chrome books. So we just select the Chrome option. And usually you can just click right here where I'm scrolling over. You'll see a little rectangle with a red star on it. And just by clicking on that, you can bypass all of these 7 steps. Just click on that, enable pop-ups, and you should be able to go. Just refresh your screen. Once you refresh your screen, then you should be able to see the login, just like that. All right, that's it.